It is obvious that Nigerian government can easily negotiate with the bandits, but they find it difficult to negotiate with ASU for our students to go back to school. However, listen to what Obi did when he was a governor, how he was able to renovate 200 schools in Anambra State. If you are obedient, please share this video. Let us make this thing go viral so that people can see what he did during his time as a governor of Anambra State.
200 public secondary schools in Anambra State will undergo rehabilitation. This assurance is coming from the state governor, Peter Obi, while presenting an initial check of 10 million naira to one of the benefiting schools in the state. Governor Obi insists that his government is committed to rebuilding educational institutions in order to enable the children compete favorably with other peers in other parts of the country.
Over 2,000 students in population with inadequate classrooms, the Eastern Academy Girls Secondary School, Onitsha, paints the true picture of the state of public schools in Anambra State. Moving from one classroom to another, Governor Peter Obi inspects facilities in the school, obviously not happy with what he is seeing. Appalled by this discouraging sight, Governor Obi presents a check of 10 million naira to the school for infrastructure upgrade and rehabilitation.
10 million naira. Our public schools are important to us. We want to rebuild all the public schools. I've been to all the classrooms this morning, see the conditions in which our students go to school, and I disagree with it. And I assure you that we must do something to ensure that that situation is reversed.
The school is the first beneficiary of the project, and Governor B warns against the misuse of funds.
Wherever we find that there is a mismanagement of one community, we will ensure that the due process of the law by prosecuting the principal of that school and ensuring that, if possible, is jailed.
Promise that we're going to use this money judiciously, so that he will also use us as example as he has been using the mission school. And we thank him very much, and we pray that God will continue to guide and protect him even as he keeps on doing good.